So we are moving to slide number 8, which is known as the examples of application software. We have the word processor. A word processor is a program that allows user to process word documents in the computer system. Then we have media players. The media players are known as VLC, that allow us to watch our movies in our system or our smartphones. Then we have accounting software. They are software for nominal roles that they normally use in banks for payment of individuals. Then web browsers. Those web browsers are known as the Microsoft Word, Firefox, and Mozilla Firefox. An e-browser, it allows us to browse whatever we intended to browse on the internet. We have games, which individuals know the function of games. We use it to while away time. So our slide 9, which is known as the examples of system software. Let's look at the utilities. Are programs that help maintain and optimize a computer's performance. Examples: file managers, virus, and scanners. So those are the systems that are embedded on the system to energize the computer system. Antivirus. Antivirus are also a system software that attack viruses to not penetrate into the computer system. Once you have antivirus on your system, there is no how the system will be able to catch up with a virus. Then we have firmware. A firmware, they are system software that are hidden instruction to the computer to make the system to be optimized and stronger. Then let's look at the BIOS, which is known as basic input output system. Those refers to the input of the system and the output devices of the system. Then the programming language translator, which translates those zeros and ones which are embedded on the processor of the computer. So our slide 10 is known as definition of application package. An application package is a software program or set of programs that are designed to perform a specific task and can also be used by multiple organizations. Most organizations design applications that will assist them to work or to make work easier for individual. So application packages are done with the help of programming language in order for a specific task to occur. For instance, if they wanted to name numbers in a particular store, that each cloth or each shoes should have a specific price, they don't have to write it with pen. They would like to design an application on a system. Once they type whatever you are looking for, it will now provide the amount of money you are going to pay on that. So that's the function of the application package. So our slide 11 is known as the development of application package. Application package development is the process of creating a standardized package of files, configurations, and dependency for a software application. The goal is to make the application easier to install and manage across different computing environments. Back then, they used to have mistakes when designing those application packages. At times, they don't used to work on other systems or on other files, but due to the development, they have tried their possible best in order for other devices to also participate in terms of installing them on the system. So our slide 12 is known as steps of developing application packages. So those steps are known as application discovery, verify the application source file and end users is functional. So you have to ensure that those files have moved to the end users. So what are those end users? Those end users are the device that are capable of accepting data, which are known as computer, printer and so on. They are known as end users. Then we now have the user acceptance testing. Test the package. So the user acceptance, before the user accept the files on their system, they have to test it thoroughly in order for it not to spoil their work or their other applications on the system. Whether there is virus on it or there is not, they have to test it with testing devices. Then we now have the development. So we are going to slide 13 now. We are going to look at the advantages of application packages. One, we have ease of distribution. Application packaging makes it easier to distribute software to end users. So as if we are to recall, the other time we said that the end users are the devices that are capable of accepting the data. So the advantage is that the application package will make it easier to distribute software data to computers. So we have reduced business disruption. Application packaging can reduce business disruptions in a process whereby you might be able to be chatting with someone and also be attending to your business, or someone from different destination can send you your balance of payment and so on. Then let's look at save time. Application packaging can save time and cost for enterprises and its service provider. It can save time definitely without interacting with individual, but transaction can still be going on via email or WhatsApp or Facebook and so on. Improvement security of digital system. Application packaging can improve the security of digital system, improve application management. Application packaging can improve the security of digital systems, lower support. Application packaging creates a stable environment that allows IT, which is information technology teams, to address issue quickly and on a large scale. Minimize security risks. Application packaging provides a more controlled and predictable installation process, which reduces the risk of introducing security vulnerabilities or malware into the system. So it reduces the stress and hackers in order for them not to penetrate easier.